pricing for construction companies. There are multiple ways you can do pricing. You can use Excel templates that contain all information for project managers to do pricing, or you can develop a web-based tool, similar to what you see on my screen. It didn't take much time. I used ChatGPT and Grok to create a code, and then I deployed it on DigitalOcean, and all the files are stored on GitHub, and I'm using Supabase as a database management system. And this tool, what's different about this pricing calculator, I have benchmarks. And the way this benchmarks works, I pull out data, just asked ChatGPT to create data for me based on time card details and material usage, equipment usage, and then analyze how much efforts in terms of labor, and then how much equipment is necessary to complete was required to complete a certain job, and how much material was used. And then the idea is that as someone who is working on pricing exercise goes through all these tasks, assigning people, assigning putting hours for everyone, then using assigning equipment, and then pick materials from materials list. They get a comparison against benchmarks to see where they're staying on target. And the idea is quite simple, right? I mean, if you're not very experienced in doing pricing, you benefit from a guidance. And this way, you actually get a guidance on, and guidance is pulled from work that was completed before, right? Because you can look at time card details report to see how much, how many hours people spend doing something. Then you can look at equipment log, and if all that is tied back to priorly completed projects, then you can obviously crunch numbers and estimate that. And I think this tool is very helpful to everyone. And again, it's not really time consuming. It wasn't time consuming to create it to begin with. And it's web-based, and it can be easily adjusted. If your benchmark change, you can just look, get new data, put it into database. If you have different labor categories, you can change that too, and rates and equipment, and same for materials. You can make it more complex. This is a somewhat easy example just for demonstration purposes. It works. You can try it yourself. You can go to Ledger Summit if you want help, and this is how it works. Thank you. Bye.